guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, so today I have a massive fall Dollar Tree haul. So many fall things, so many Halloween things, guys. I am super excited about fall this year. Sometimes I decorate a lot, sometimes I don't. And this year, I don't know, I'm just really in the mood to decorate. I think I'm just tired of summer. It's still hot here. Like, it is still hot. And so maybe I'm just like really anxious for fall. But anyway, lots of new things, lots of really nice quality things. So I'm really excited. My local Dollar Tree has pretty much nothing. Like, it has like one little shelf and that's it. But the Dollar Tree that's a little bit further is exploding. So I took a trip, went there, and got all the things. Okay, so let's start with the signs. Now, the signs are something I don't normally buy a lot of, and I might have gotten a little carried away this year, but I love them, and I love them all. So this one is not new. This is something that they had. I don't know if it looked exactly like this last year, but it is better, or maybe it was similar, but I really liked it. I like the quality. I love how, I'm probably just going to use this as is, but I love how you can DIY this. So maybe after the fact, maybe I'll put this up for fall, but then maybe I will take them off and paint them and do something for Christmas or something. I don't know. I haven't decided, but whether or not you use it just as is or as a craft project, super cute for a buck. Yes, heck yes. This one was new. I think this one is new this year. I don't think I've seen it last year. It is super cute. I love the black, like chalkboard type looking thing. I think it's cute. It has this little metal leaf up here. One side is green. I did notice that the other side is silver, so that's kind of neat. I might like it better with the silver. But anyway, that was cute. This is another super cute one. This one says thankful and blessed. I have a lot of things that say thankful and blessed. I almost wish I said something different just because I have so many things that have that saying. But I do love it. The little raffia bowl is kind of cheap. I might switch that out for, I might use, you know what I might use? I've been using a lot of that Dollar Tree twine. If you've seen my last Dollar Tree like craft video, I did like a couple things with bows with using the Dollar Tree twine. It was really cute. So I might do that. Okay, the next one, they are really into the getting in these red trucks that have been popular the last couple years. I'm trying not to like get the glare from the lights. And so I thought this was cute. It's like the little red truck. Again, it has the metal bow the metal leaf and the cheap little raffia. I mean, it might look better if you just fluffed it up a bit, but again, I might change those out. But again, that's a quick fix, quick DIY. This one was another one with the red truck, and oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it. It is the mason jar shape. So while I love the truck and everything, it is super cute. I also love the shape. You guys, this is such a cool DIY looking thing, and you know, and again, only $1. Now I do have a lot of woodworking equipment and could cut out my own, so even if I wanted to cut out my own, like, this makes a really great stencil. And it does end up cheaper by cutting my own, but I don't have to do the work. These are only $1, and it comes with the, yeah, it's actually a really good deal. But anyway, guys, so whether or not you use this, which is super cute, it's got this like burlap up here, and then the glitter, which, you know, I'm all about the glitter, all about the glitter. And then the red truck, oh my gosh, I love it. And and the next thing that has the little red truck, I forgot. I see there's so many red truck things, is this one. And I think I may actually use this as part, like this part as like part of a wreath or something. I don't know. I haven't decided. These kind of styles with the glitter around and the middle piece have been pretty popular at the Dollar Tree the last couple years. And they just keep upping their game with the things they put in them. Super cute. And then I bought this. I will say that in years past, I haven't decorated as much for Halloween. I tend to decorate more for fall and then switch out so that way I can leave it up a little bit longer. But my oldest son, I have a teenage son, he's 18, and he just loves Halloween. My mom loves Halloween, and so he really likes the Halloween kind of thing. And so I've been thinking the last couple years I've switched more to decorating for Halloween, and my reason is I actually start putting Christmas stuff November 1st. I know that seems really crazy early to some of you, but I go all out, y'all. So the idea that I need to do more fall things so I don't have to switch it out for Halloween, doesn't really matter, because I can, you know, I start putting up I put up all my decorations early. I'm always excited for the holidays, right? So I start fall decorating usually September 1st. I try not to do too much fall decorating until September 1st. I don't know, September just makes me think it's time, right? You know, August we get through back to school, and I'm usually busy with back to school, and our boy's birthday is in the summer, so I usually don't have time in August anyway, and it's so hot. But by September 1st, hot or not, I'm ready. I'm ready to put up the fall decorations. So they had this, I mean, it is so big, I can't even get it all in the frame because the camera's pretty close. But oh my gosh, this is such a good bargain, such a good deal. I love this, and it's like the off-white, like the kind of wood looking, and the glitter letters. You guys know I'm all about the glitter, and I love this. I actually can't decide if I want to put this in like by my front porch. I've got something that says home, and I'll switch out the O with something that is fall, or if I want to put this by it, or maybe both. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But I also think it would be like really cute to decorate like my living room. I seen a picture on Pinterest that had like this kind of like white and black style with their living room, and it was so cute. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Let me comment. Another kind of sign related item. They actually had 4 of these. I should have bought the trick or treat one. They had one that was really Halloween looking that said trick or treat, and again, at first when I bought these, because I did these in like 2 different shopping trips, so I was trying to stay more with the fall kind of theme, and then I've just like, maybe I'm just going to embrace Halloween. We do love Halloween. I know as Christians there's some, you know, things back and forth, but we actually do love Halloween. So anyway, this one says Happy Halloween, and I love the cute little pumpkins. Look at all the little, and then there's this little angry one. I don't know what's with the, like all the cute ones, and then the little angry one. Very, very, very cute. And then this one says Thankful. They also had another one that said Gather, and again they had the one that said Trick or Treat. Now these, I will say, are selling out pretty quick. When I went back the second time, they didn't even have, because I was going to buy another one of these for a craft project. They didn't even have this one, and so they did have, and they only had like 1 or 2 of the Thankful ones. So I think they had several of the Gather ones. You just have to check your store because they sell out so quick. That's why I'm always like, I hate to buy fall things so early, but they'll, you know, the Dollar Tree, if you don't get it while they have it. I picked up some scarecrows, several scarecrows. Okay, so when the first time I went, I just picked up 2. I just picked up, let me get them all untangled here. I just picked up this cute little black, I love the little black gingham check one, and then the blue in that like blue flannel. I loved that. This little tie thing is messed up. So I got that, and I got them to stick out in our yard, and in I love to put these in flower pots is what I like to put them in, and so I thought those would be really cute. Well, then I got to thinking, we did the city did a flower pot contest this year during the summer. It's over now, and so we all planted flowers and decorated, and mine have since died in the last couple weeks. The heat has just gotten to them. So anyway, I was up there the other day, and in front of my husband is the police chief, and so I had decorated the 2 little, or one of the flower pots, and then there was actually another one. So I thought about doing both of them for fall, and I thought that these would be cute, but wearing the blue for the police department, and then I'll jazz it up with something else. I'll let you know how that goes, right? But it is so cute, and I thought, you know, for $1, these would be cute little decorations. They do host a like Halloween like event there, so I think that'd be cute for that. I got a couple little floral arrangement things for some craft projects. I got these beautiful bright and yellow and orange sunflowers, and then I got some more the little burlap sunflowers, and then I got some more. I said some more because I bought these in previous years. I bought more of these decorative picks. They're like glitter pumpkins on a stick, and they're cute. They're great for, again, for flower arrangements, but good for like little flower pots. I know that I've got 2 lilies in my living room, and sometimes I'll just stick like a couple of them in there just to kind of, you know, jazz it up, but those are really cute. Okay, so some other items I bought. This might not seem Halloween related, but if you follow any kind of Pinterest or things, you'll know, you probably know what these are for. But I am going to do a DIY, or maybe the DIY may come up before this, I don't even know. But it is the, oh, I'm dropping some. But it is the splatter screen, so I bought 3 of those for a DIY project. I finally found these pumpkin wire forms. What are they called? They're called, yeah, pumpkin wreath forms. So I bought that, and then I did buy some of the deco mesh. I am not sure. I know I didn't buy enough. I only bought 3 of them, so I know I'm going to probably need more for that. But I wasn't sure what colors I wanted to use, so I went ahead and just bought some in the black, purple, and orange, and then I thought I could kind of play around with the colors and see how I wanted it to go and wanted it to look. And then hopefully they still have some, again, you know how Dollar Tree is. But, and then I'll go back and buy the colors I need. And then I did buy, oh my gosh, the ribbon is so cute. Oh my gosh, they have so many fall and Halloween ribbons, and I wanted to buy them all, but I'm like, I don't think I have that many projects that I'm going to be using ribbon. But I knew of one, and I chose this one. I loved it. Okay, I bought these cute spell books. Now, I did a DIY. I think I did, I don't know if I did a video or not of it. I know I took a picture of it. I'll either insert a clip or a card, or I'll insert a picture of the book I did last year. But anyway, I was going to do some more spell kind of books for Halloween decorations once I finally decided that I was going to decorate for Halloween. But then I found these at the dollar store. And they are, oops, I just threw that one. But they're like a secret box, you know, kind of like looking like gift box kind of thing or whatever. But again, I thought they were super cute. The one I dropped said poisons. This one says casting spells, Halloween tricks and treats. This one spells, potions, and creepy collections, or notions, sorry. Yeah, so cute. And they had, a lot of them they had in 2 different sizes. So you could kind of, you know, arrange them, like the other one is smaller. But again, I may still do some DIY books, but I thought these would be cute anyway. I bought, you've seen me haul these in years prior. This is just a foam pumpkin, and I thought I would do like a cute little DIY, paint it. I've done a couple little DIYs with them, and they've always turned out really cute. So this is kind of funny. I bought this, and I thought, oh, this will be cute, and I don't know why I thought this, but when I first bought it, I thought it was like a napkin holder. I thought that'd be cute to paint or whatever. It's actually not a napkin holder, like you put like a little tea light in there. Again, I still think it's going to be cute, so we're going to paint it. I thought that might be something that my youngest, my 10-year-old, he loves to paint and things like that. I thought that might be something he would want to, you know, help with or whatever. I bought this, again, this cute little sign. It is one of the box signs. Yeah, the eat, drink, and be scary, again, with the Halloween thing. To be perfectly honest, guys, I really think I'm doing a lot more of the Halloween decorating this year just so I can do more Halloween crafts because I think they're a lot of fun. So then the Dollar Tree had this little potion bottle. Oh, is it? Oh, you're getting like a lot of glare from the lights. But it is really, really cute. But I kind of wanted some different size potion bottles. So I'm going to be doing a DIY. So I bought a couple just clear bottles that I can paint and do like a little DIY with. And then this little orange one to set with it. And when I went back, now again, they're already selling out of these kind of things. The first time I went, they had like orange and purple and green, I think. And then when I went back, they only had the orange. So again, guys, get it while they got it. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this fall Halloween kind of Dollar Tree haul. They had a bunch more things that I didn't buy. They also have a lot of really good pieces for costume, guys. If you have several kids, or you're on like a really tight budget for Halloween and you want a cute costume, guys, they have some really cute things that you can put together for just a couple bucks. And so anyway, I will leave video clips of that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending time with me, hanging out with me, chatting with me in the comments. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending time with me. I'll see you later. Bye.